This is a public service announcement. Now, I really shouldn't have to say this, but I'm going to. Please share this with your friends and neighbors, especially if you live in an arid climate that experiences drought-like conditions. Everyone needs to know this. Your grass doesn't need water every day. Seriously, whoever told you that was wrong. Infrequent watering and proper nutrition will keep your grass greener longer without requiring additional watering. Start this year. Figure out how long it takes to put down a ½ an inch of water on your lawn and do that twice a week. That's all you need, I promise. Now, I'm here to help you. There are links on my page and on my website to free guides. Yes, free guides and other resources that I've put together to make lawn care stupid easy for you. And as always, you can feel free to reach out to me on here or any other social media platform that you can find me on. I'm happy to help answer any of your questions anytime. Everyone's got hobbies, I just choose to geek out over my lawn. Thank you for listening to this public service announcement. Please remember to share this with your friends and your neighbors. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and following along here for more helpful and entertaining lawn care content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.